program a Sylvania VCR. If you still have a VCR player, you can use this to record your favorite TV shows. One of the popular VCR player brands is Sylvania. If you have this type of VCR, here are some steps that you need to follow in order to program the player to record certain shows automatically. Connect. Start by connecting the television set to the VCR player. Make sure that you connect both the audio and the video cables. They are usually color coordinated and you simply need to insert the same cords into the same slots in both the VCR and the TV set. Adjust the TV. After you have finished connecting the two components, the next step is for you to adjust the TV set and put it in the appropriate channel setting. Depending on your TV set, you will usually need to put it in channel 3 or in channel 4. Afterwards, you need to turn on your VCR player. Select language. Now that your VCR player is turned on, you need to select the program language, especially if you have never programmed the VCR before. To do this, you simply need to press the fast forward button. Pressing this button will give you a list of the various languages that are available. Choose the one you want by clicking on the play button. Auto Setup. Now that you are able to use the correct language, you will need to put the VCR in the auto setup mode. To do this, all you need to do is to click on the fast forward key once again. By doing this, the VCR will automatically search for all of the channels that are working in your television set. This will then be loaded into the VCR as the list of television channels that you can choose from and which you can program the VCR to record later on. Time and frequency. Next, you will need to use the VCR remote control to click on the menu button. Once you have entered the menu, you will need to change the clock setup by clicking on the timer programming button using your remote control. Once you click this, you will be led to a new screen that shows the clock setup. Simply set the time when you want the VCR to start recording. You can change the time by using the stop button and the play button. You will also have an option to determine how frequently you want the recording to occur. For instance, you can record the program daily, weekly, monthly, etc. Choose the channel. Now, all you need to do is to choose the channel. Simply press the play key so that you will be led out of the clock setup. Now, choose the channel that contains the program you want to record. Once you reach the channel of your choice, selected by clicking on the fast forward key. Make sure that you leave the VCR turned off so that it will automatically record the shows during the times that you have preset. Also make sure that the plug is still connected to the power source, and that there is a blank tape in the VCR.